Damn it, Janice, I told you, I can't come into work today. My kids are sick and my wife cheated on me. What do you want me to do? What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. Today we're actually heading out to Superior, Arizona. I got word from an informant of mine on Instagram that one of my favorite waterfalls in all of Arizona is flowing. I saw a video of it yesterday. It looked pretty promising. So we're going to drive to Superior and check out the waterfall, do a little bit of hiking, get the bird up in the air and just take a look at the land and see how much it's changed with all the rains that they just got pounded with. Usually when that waterfall is flowing, Queen Creek is also flowing too, and that one creates a lot of waterfalls and little cascades, so we're gonna go check it out. Real quick, guys, I am gonna come clean. If I sound like I'm drained, it's because I was up late last night binge watching Roseanne. I like the show, sue me. So to give us a little bit of a jolt, or in my case, a lot of a jolt of energy, I'm gonna help myself to a little cocaine. What did you think I was talking about? All right, everybody, so here's the famous waterfall that I love so much in Superior, Arizona. Check it out. It usually flows a lot heavier than this in the winter, but because it's monsoon season, we just got downpoured with rain in like Globe and Superior, so this won't last too long. It'll probably go maybe another day, then after that, it's pretty much dried up until winter. So, gotta enjoy it while it's here. There we have Highway 60. This is just a really cool waterfall. Now in Arizona, you've heard of Havasupai Falls, you've heard of Pachita Falls, you've heard of Sivaku Falls. This one's honestly my favorite. Doesn't stay around too long, but when it's here, it's a gem. And we gotta try to make it down here without cracking our skull. Hopefully that doesn't happen. If it does and I get it on video, I'll show you. Whew, mother freaking Teresa. Whew. Whew. Okay, bingo. So it's a really short hike. It's not that strenuous at all. Parts of it can be, and when you throw in the Arizona heat, it can get to you pretty quick. I'm sweating, but we're not too far from my car.